Hi, I'm Kung, representing Pavana.
Hi, I'm Fat from VinCSS.
And we craft
State-of-the-art security camera. Cameras, as part of the IoT realm, are ubiquitous. They are here, there, everywhere.
but their prevalence brings challenges. Data breaches, inefficiencies in onboarding, and the pesky, forgettable passwords. Not to mention, they're often vulnerable to hacking.
VinCSS entered FIDO Alliance, and their groundbreaking FDO protocol is automating onboarding for IoT devices and bolstering it with the power of public key cryptography.
And so, with Pavana's cameras and VinCSS IoT FDO expertise, voila, we present the world's one of the very first commercial FDO-Ready Security Cameras. Now, let's talk about the benefits. With FDO, we don't just solve issues, we revolutionize the security on the camera.
Exactly. With these cryptographic keys in play, we are waving goodbyes to the default username and password. Only the device owner gets the key to the kingdom during setup, aiming up security and privacy. This means you get the camera that's not just clever, but rock solid from the very first moment they are out of the factory. Pretty cool, isn't it?
And we mentioned the whole process is automated, and those cameras are unified under one management platform. It's streamlined, simple, efficient. But here's the icing on the cake. It's 100% made in Vietnam. From hardware design, manufacturing to software development, it's all crafted by our talented fellow Vietnamese.
Empowered by VinCSS IoT FDO, our solution is the result of years of research, understanding, and mastering FDO protocols standardized by FIDO Alliance.
Our journey doesn't stop here. We're committed to bring FDO to even more camera lines, not just our premium brands, but all other brands.
And cameras are just only the beginning. Our mission is to make the entire IoT world safer, more user-friendly with FDO, ensuring IoT security isn't a luxury, it is now a standard.
This is just a start of our collaboration.
Together, we are contributing to a safer, smarter IoT future. Stay tuned.
Thank you.